YouTube? My name is Randolph and welcome back to the channel. We're about to head back to Taco Tuesday. Okay, sorry about that, was my GPS. We're heading to Taco Tuesday after months of being absent from it because of work and schedule and all that. Right now we're about to head to Taco Tuesday, so if you enjoyed this video, make sure to leave a like and subscribe, and let's take a look at these amazing cars. Here at Taco Tuesday, check out the GTRs. Which color is your favorite, the black or the orange? I like the orange better. So I want you guys to vote in the comments. Gosh, guys, look at this. Check out McLaren. if you missed out on this event, I feel bad for you if you missed out on this event, because honestly, it's just too crazy. There's a lot of cars showing up. I'm telling you, man, you guys should have came. Y'all should have came, man. It's not the same as watching it on YouTube. I'm telling you, it's just a whole different experience coming for real. Like, seriously. Got Lamborghinis, got muscle cars, JDM, all that. It's just crazy, man. European, and, you know, of course, the South Korean Hyundai Genesis. But yeah, it's a crazy event. You guys should have came, man. I'm telling you, come out to these events. how crazy packed this event is. It's way too many people. Look, you got people coming from this side, and you have a whole rack of cars coming from that side. It's over like 600 cars already, and I'm not exaggerating. It's so many cars, but look at this Subaru, yo. That's sick. But anyways, it's a lot of cars, man. Look at all this. It's crazy. Guys, like I said, this is insane. You have more cars coming all the way from down there. And then you have some coming from all the way back here. Like, it's really crazy, man. I'm telling you. Oh my goodness.
This must be a Young Jada Prince beat, boy.
Alright guys, this is one crazy event. So as you can see, there's like 2 lines. One crazy. One line goes that way and then it's all the way around and then you exit back. So this is a crazy event. I'm about to head out actually, but if you enjoyed this video, make sure you leave a like and subscribe. This is one heck of an event. Like I said, please don't sleep on these events in the DMV. You know, shout out to Taugurson. Make sure you guys go follow him on Instagram. He's always doing the Taco Tuesdays, always bringing it out clutch, and it's always on the channel. So feel free to check out the other Taco Tuesday videos on the channel. That'll be all for today, and thanks for watching. Peace.